Canon Large Format Printer imagePROGRAF TX Series incorporates the image processing engine Alcoa Pro, new printing technology, and high-precision mechanical platform as core technology. The 44-inch imagePROGRAF TX 5400 and the 36-inch imagePROGRAF TX 5300. New all-pigment 5-color ink models have been born. High productivity. Easy roll loading by simply placing a roll on the arm. An operator only has to place a roll. No manual operations such as paper feeding are required. The printer automatically feeds the paper and is ready to print after adjustments. Dual roll loading. In administrative and corporate offices, auto-switching between two different roll sizes without paper replacement keeps productivity high. It enables efficient printing on paper of different sizes for in-house posters. This supports in-house poster production for office environments. The TX series employs a new print head, which is 1.07 inches wide and 6 channels, with 15,360 nozzles. It delivers high-quality printing of CAD drawings and posters at fast speed. Adaptability to printing environments. The TX series is 300 millimeters smaller than the IPF 841 in width. 44-inch wide printouts can be created even in a small office. PDF and JPEG files stored in a USB drive can be directly printed without the use of a PC. A preview image can be displayed in the operation panel before printing. Security features. Security features such as disk encryption and restricted user protocol helps reduce leaks of confidential data to maintain strict print data confidentiality. Cost management. Accounting Manager enables efficient cost management of multiple printers. Ecology. Less electricity consumption reduces the effects on the environment. Printing with less energy is achieved. Reflecting diverse needs from market, the TX series offers broad applications of large format printing.
Canon, delighting you always.